So today we're talking about audio for conference rooms, for corporate meeting rooms. We run into this a lot. We go to customers, and I would say one of the top 3 complaints is always bad audio, either bad outgoing audio that remote callers receive or bad incoming audio. Now today we're going to talk real quick about outgoing audio. Basically you need better microphone coverage in the conference room you're in. The way we do that these days is with something called a Beamforming Microphone Array. It's a ceiling tile that has a lot of embedded microphones. That's half of it. The other half is behind that. It's the DSP, the software that's used to dial in the beams that pick up the voices of the people around the table. And good acoustics, I would say those are the top 3 things you need for good audio, and you need a good technician that knows the software. That way you can have better audio for your Zoom or Microsoft Teams, WebEx, all of those different video conferencing platforms. Check it out.